Welcome to 1906 Woodfield Drive. This cute 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath home with a fully fenced yard, den, and hardwood flooring inside is located in the established Woodfield Park neighborhood in Northeast Columbia, just a couple of minutes from Fort Jackson, also convenient to I-77 and I-20 as well as Richland District 2 schools. So we're out front here. You can see there is fencing going around the entire property. There's a gate as well here that closes off the driveway itself. You have a 1-car wide driveway with sort of a dirt driveway here to the left side under some covered parking. There's a carport off the left side, as you can see there. So that gives you a fenced front and backyard. Then sidewalk leading around to the front door. Nice sort of contemporary or modern style covered porch entry here. And then we'll step inside into a small foyer. You can notice you have some hardwood flooring starting here. That's in some other areas of the home, pretty much throughout as well. So you have a living room here off of the front, a nice large picture window looking out towards the front yard. So a pretty nice sized room. And then a coat closet here in the entry, right off the entry as well. And then you continue into what is the most likely a sort of a formal dining room, or it could be additional living space off of the kitchen. You have wood paneling in here, a couple windows looking out over the backyard, and you can see it's all open to the kitchen. In the kitchen you have an included side-by-side or a French door refrigerator, as well as an electric stove on this side. Pretty good cabinet space as well. And then a laundry room here at the back end of the kitchen. That same flooring continues into here. So you have full-size washer dryer connections. And then off of the laundry you have a den sort of at the front of the home. There's a bay window as well as a couple of closets flanking sort of a recessed area. You have some cabinets above as well. So this area could be used for just another family room or den or living space. Could function as a bedroom with its own half bath and separate entrance off the carport as well. So you do have some options there. The bathroom, or excuse me, this is a full bath. I apologize. So you have a single vanity in here and also a shower and tub. So that does make this a two full bathroom home. And then outside you have access to the side of the house where the carport is, and then access to the backyard as well, which is also fenced, chain link fencing. You also have a storage shed on the left side here, as well as sort of a covered area back there, a gazebo of some sort. Put some nice mature trees in the yard. Right, back inside, on the other side of the main living space, you have your bedrooms and the additional bath. So down the hall, here's the bathroom, the full bathroom on this side, which has some LVP flooring. It's been updated. You have a shower and tub in here also, as well as a single vanity, and then a medicine cabinet over here. And then your bedrooms, so two facing the front. Here's one of two. Both have a pretty standard sized closet for these older homes, as you can see there. Bedroom 2, You have sort of a corner window in here, so you have an additional window outside the one that's forward facing. Similar closet situation. And then last but not least, your third bedroom. Which also has another closet, or has a similar closet. You have a ceiling fan in here. And I apologize, I've gotten the bathroom count all wrong in this home. So you have the third full bathroom in the home. So I could have been more wrong. Not a 1.5 bath, a 3 full bath, or you could maybe count this a 3/4. But it does have a shower and its own sink as well. So that completes our tour of this home in Woodfield Park, 1906 Woodfield Drive, a 3-bedroom, 3 full bath home. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.